Tuesday, June 9th. Happy birthday to me. Supernova Design Company. Vlog. I have no idea what number it is. Anyway, it's birthday today. What's our focus? Not gonna worry about focus today. We're freeforming it. It's my birthday. Tasks. Gonna do our AM workout. Gonna mix that up a little bit. I think I'm gonna throw in some striking. I just feel like punching stuff this morning. So instead of the usual stretches and push-ups and stuff, we're gonna hit some things. We're going to move the strength tests for the CuKi Racks to the front of the list. That seemed like a fun thing to do today. Going to use a control with two half-inch pieces and see how much weights we can stack on it. And then going to do our little joinery system and see how that compares. Hopefully we have enough weights to break something. Might watch a movie. Going to eat some ice cream, blow out some candles, hang out with the kids, have a nice day. Challenges, enjoy and go with the flow. I thought of a challenge today, but we'll see. Anyway, happy birthday to me. We'll maybe check in later, or maybe we won't. What did we get done today? What did we do today? Had a lovely breakfast at Provence. Dimensioned and drilled some test boards for the strength test. Thought we'd get that done, but that spreadsheet business took a long time. What did I learn today? Make eye contact with the camera. Last video, I noticed I was looking down, saying lots of things. That's got a bit weird. What else did I learn? I learned I'm a spreadsheet generating machine. Most of them are overly complicated and useless. Part of that mediation stuff I was looking through there going, what are we doing? Deleted a bunch of stuff. Anyway, so that's it. We're going to call it quits